Just like the Hobart hurricanes fueling our everyday heroes with salmon, one of the best sources of protein and vitamin D, can play an important part of maintaining strong muscles and healthy bones. This fresh to sale salmon and avo salad is a quick meal you can throw together either before or after enjoying a fun, active day with the family. This salad is as easy as mixing your dressing and then throwing everything together in one bowl to enjoy with a fresh piece of to sale salmon.
Thanks, Susie. This looks delicious. And you're right, in season, we're training and playing nearly every day of the week. With so much cricket, we really need to keep our strength and endurance up. So Susie, what is it about tassau salmon that makes it so super?
For super strength and super healing, the protein in salmon can help our muscles grow and repair, and the omega-3s act as a powerful anti-inflammatory, which can help reduce muscle pain and soreness.
Tassel salmon is a key ingredient in our pre- and post-game meals. From lunches to dinners, salads and wraps, it's a great way for us to get our omega-3, vitamins and protein that we need to fuel our game.
And it helps that it tastes great too.
Making healthy choices helps our muscles recover so we can play to the best of our abilities.
Okay boys, let's finish up and head back out there. Thanks again, Susie.